Hello and welcome to week 1 of the mini-mester. I wanted to go over what we will be doing this week in the mini-mester. So the first thing we're doing today is a discussion board on getting to know each other. This is an ungraded board, but I'd love to learn more about you and interact with you kind of on a personal level before we just rush into the class. Here's the handout about Grammarly that I talked about in the welcome video, and here's where you will upload your screenshot of the purchase for Connect. Also on Monday, I have some information on MLA formatting, and if you click on that first link, it'll come to an explanation as to what all we're doing. So, and when you see the world with the green bar underneath it, those are kind of the point of those is to familiarize you with what we're doing that day. So there is a video. Most of these videos I choose are ones I've recorded. Occasionally they're ones that I get online. It just kind of varies. These two citation files here, this one is from the library and this one is a complement to the textbook. Once you've completed the MLA information or MLA reading and you'll come in here to do the MLA exercise. This is your Connect. So once you get into Connect, you'll click this Connect button and it'll take you to assignments. So the first one is an Mla Quiz, and see the due date is the 16th. On Tuesday, we're going to look a little deeper at the ethics of plagiarism. We're going to practice paraphrasing, and there's another Connect assignment for you to do. This paraphrase practice is going to be your first graded discussion board. Now it says in the syllabus that discussion boards, your initial post needs to be 250 words. In this case, since you're actually just going to be paraphrasing, the word count is not as important as me making sure that you have a quality paraphrase. Now, one of the kickers with this one is that you're not going to be able to see what other people have done until you've posted your initial response. And then make sure that you respond to your classmates on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we get to watch a movie. It's called The Words. It has Bradley Cooper in it. It came out a few years ago, but I had to break it into 3 parts. So it's total of about an hour and 45 minutes. So just plan your time accordingly. And then here is the words. What we're going to do is start with a discussion. And I want you to choose 2 of these following questions to discuss about the movie. And then make sure that those responses are 250 words. So between the 2 items that you choose will be 250 words. And then you must respond to your 2 classmates with a minimum of 125 words. So this will be a discussion. It'll start on Wednesday evening and then it'll continue with the responses on Thursday, then it'll close on Thursday. On Thursday, we have a green bar here, so we know we've got instructions. This is about arguing to inquire. So we have a video here about chapter 8. You'll also need to read that. This is a short video. I also have a video about the CRAP method for determining credibility. The final video will talk about writing an explanatory paper. Thursday is a rather heavy day. There's a lot of writing, a lot of reading. We'll have another Connect assignment and then the actual what you have to do for your plagiarism and ethics assignment. The librarian at Lone Star has recorded a couple videos for you that are going to go over how to actually research in the databases at the Lone Star Library. So make sure you pay attention to these. I also wanted to show you that you can actually email the librarian directly. If you go to communication, you go to class list, and you go down here. Her last name is Rue. Miss Rue. It's the only other one other than me that says faculty. You could just click there and then send an email if you'd like. She would be happy to help you with any of your research. She is familiar with the topic and she knows that I have students looking for it. And she knows that I have students who will probably need some help. So I'm sure she's be happy to answer your emails. Just keep in mind she probably doesn't answer them over the weekend. On Friday, you'll begin drafting your first essay. So what I've done here is I've created several brainstorming sessions. So the brainstorming sessions work a little differently than a normal discussion. I want you to take part in these brainstorming sessions to help you start writing your paper. You don't have to participate in one of them or all of them or some of them or none of them, but I think it will help you as you go into writing the paper because the topic of ethics and plagiarism and the movie The Words is a little bit tricky and you probably haven't written much like that before. So your main job over the weekend will be to perfect your essay so that you can submit your peer review on Monday. Remember to take a look at the assignment requirements in Thursday and pay close attention to that peer review because that is very important. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.